Hello friends, welcome to Bai's channel again. And today I'm gonna show you some suggestions about how to start your embroidery shop, because many of our customers, many friends around want to know how about it and how to do business on embroidery. In last video is about how to choose your embroidery machine first with you, and what kind of accessories you need to prepare. So if you are interested in this content, welcome to go through our channel videos to check our list, choose what videos you want to watch. Okay, let's go today for today's topic. In embroidery community, there are many new starters struggle about how to really choose a right embroidery machine to go first. This is question is many people concerned about. And in the last video, another video, we mainly talk about how to choose a right machine, how to choose a machine to go first in the market, since kinds of machine types in the market. And for sure, here I can replenish some reasons for you. And normally, for new starters, if you want to do business about embroidery, we suggest single-head multi-needles. It's up to your business scale. For example, how many caps, how many t-shirts you need to make, how many logos you need to do for an order, and how many days you must finish this order. For some new starters, sure, they want to go on, for example, like a single needle, single head machine, because cost is cheap, with low price like $100, and not look so hard as big machines look like. While you need to consider it in the future, if your business go bigger and grow, and how this single needle can fit for your orders needs, right? When you get some commercially or industrially orders, customization orders, it's hard for single needle to finish this. So that's the first reason I suggest single-head multi-needles to go. So after you have basic idea, basic consideration about embroidery machine, we highly recommend you single-head multi-needles. But you must know the machine should be with a reasonable price and great performance. Also, as mentioned, there in the market there are kinds of machines. Also, some kinds of machines cost you hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars, but its performance is not so good as you imagine. Then you need to consider how to choose a good machine and follow some comments, follow some videos. You will know more about the machine market. And after your embroidery business go bigger, after your shop more stable and get more orders, customization orders, you need to upstate your single-head multi-needles directly to double heads. That can be imaged. So right now, the machine with a very stable performance and cost efficient is very important for you. So right now, a machine with a very stable performance and very high cost efficiency is very important for new starters. It's gonna be a more years partner for you to start business. It can bring out to you stable production and make your business stable production and waste your time and keep it go on. I think that's many questions for new starters to consider about. Okay, so now we go on to next question. This question is many people concerned about, and they also have doubt and no confidence for it. That is how long I can get my money back through this embroidery business. If they can get money back, or if they can get benefits from this embroidery business. And I can see the answer is absolutely yes, because we have many new starter business machine users. After a few months, they give us very positive feedback. For sure, there are many factors to determine this result. Like if you know how to promote yourself, if you know how to get your clients, and how much preparations and how much hard work you have done. Let yourself be the public and attract more clients, attract more orders. That's all factors to determine this. And okay, let's go back to topic. How long you really can get your money back? And according According to our customers' feedback, I think about my answer is 2 to 6 months because situation is totally different. How long you can get your money back is connected about how you to deal with your embroidery business. If you just work with a machine as part-time for fun or full-time color, I cannot guarantee if you can get that result as soon as possible. As I just said, 2 to 6 months or few months. I'm not guaranteed about this, and it's up to how much preparations, how many full preparations you have done. If you know your customers best and what they want, what you can do. If you know clearly about all these things, I think embroidery business is gonna be bright for you. Some of our machine users also start their shop from very small scale shop, and they will find some customers like skateboard shop, like gym. Their customers definitely have customization request for these shops. So that's your customers based on, and you need to find out where they are and what they want. I think this can help you to enlarge or stable your embroidery shop. Also, some machine users, some shops have set up their own website like STE, Shopify, Amazon. I think this source can attract another batch of customers as well. After you choose a right embroidery machine and prepare all accessories done, and what's your consideration and what's the most important you need to consider next? That is how to find your customers. Mostly you can start from your around site like skateboard shop, like gift shop, like flea market. You need to know what's their business mode and what they need for like something like creative or bold design for their clothing, for the customers to provide customization service. That's all you need to know and all you can know. That is all in order to replenish your own business contents. For sure, if you don't want to go outside, as I mentioned before, there are many other ways. For example, you can set up a shop on some internet website platform like Amazon, Shopify, such as like that. It's not as easy as you think. You need to spend more time and energy into your embroidery shop on this platform. Sign up is not just beginning. You need to learn how to make your shop more attractive. When others saw your shop, they have motivation to buy your things. During the period when you set up the shop, there are gonna be some difficulties for sure, but no worry, there are many teaching videos about this aspect. You can learn it, watch it when you set up your shop. When you control everything, the effect will be great, and you're gonna have much confidence in your own business, in your own embroidery shop. The last part I want to say is how to source your clients. It's a big question, but we have many ways to go. First, you will see normally someone will show their daily life in social medias with embroidery work, others showing to attract customers, those who have related requests. But this kind of video will have requests for its continuity and personal style. For example, if you are sales, you need to promote your products. You need to go inside more research. You need to know what they like and where your customers are. For example, on YouTube, there are many community groups about embroidery, right? And inside, there are your target clients, and also they are finding some sales or shops can provide customization service. Second, on YouTube, this kind of video channel, you can put your website or link on this video page. Then anyone focus on or have watched your videos will notice this. Notice your shop, they will go have a look, and then you're gonna have chance to get more orders. Also, for sure, your daily embroidery share for embroidery work is a must. For sure, what I said above is not all. You can get more explorations, you can get more ways to go, and that can give your shop more plentiful. So give your shop more preparations and more outline to go. Okay, that's for today's sharing, for today's video. I hope it's gonna be help you to know how to start an embroidery shop. If you are satisfied about our machine, please give us a like or a focus or expecting more videos we're gonna show. If you want to know more details about machine, please click following link. Gonna be some professional one to contact with you. That's all. Thank you. Welcome to join us.